hope that tomorrow we will observe time. From what you saw from the condom wrap, would you be able to extract any fingerprint?
It was a small wrap that can't...
You said that it was there. The question that you were asked in relation to the fingerprints by the defense, did you do it?
No, my lady.
Why?
It was a small wrap, my lady. It can't generate any prints.
I take you now to Gracia Hotel, the CCTV cameras. Again, what was your role there?
For crime scene reconstruction, my lady, and to document the scene.
Did you have any role to do with to finding out whether the CCTV cameras were functional? Was that part of your role?
No, my lady.